guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki, and today I'm here to invite all of you wizards and muggles to the Harry Potter Collab. And I'm so excited because I'm co-hosting this one with my beautiful friend Julia from the Mug Life DIY. She asked me to co-host with her because last year we made a Harry Potter collab and we had so much fun. The rules for this one are to tag the Mug Life DIY channel on your video description box, and also to tag my channel on your video description box as well. And this is simple because you're gonna share your Halloween Harry Potter fun. We don't have much rules. The third one is to upload your video on September the 13th at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and to add your video to the playlist that you will find in our description box and share your Harry Potter Halloween fun. And I want to know if you're joining us, so leave me a comment in the description, in the comments below, because I want to know if you're joining us for this fun collab. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos and a couple of silly jokes. Take care, bye bye.